All right, this is number 8, and the name for number 8 is solve radical equation.
They're all the exact same.
Solve radical equation. Notice this one has an equal sign. So when it has an equal sign and it says solve, that means you're going to find what the variable equals. So here's the description. The description is get, and you'll love this, he's got square root over stuff. So get square root stuff by itself, square both sides, then solve for x. So you know how last quarter we took the problems and we got the x squared thing by itself and then we square rooted both sides? This is going to be just the opposite. We're squaring both sides. So remember, square root and squaring are exact opposites. 8a is already have the square root by itself. It's square root of 2x plus 3, and that equals 5. So when I say square both sides, that means I'm going to put parentheses around here, and I'm going to square this whole thing, and then also 5 squared. Squaring everything on the left, the squaring, the 2, and the radical are exact opposites. That means it eliminates the radical sign, and you just get 2x plus 3. And 5 squared, 25. And now, have we solved for x yet?
Oh, sorry.
So you got to solve for x, subtract 3,
11. 20.
and that's 22. Divide by 2, x equals 11. 8b, there's just a little more to it because you notice the radical sign is not by itself. Okay, so to get the radical sign by itself, first of all, we've got to add 7. 3 times radical x plus 4 equals 15. Divide both sides by 3. So radical x plus 4 equals 5. I've got the radical by itself. So I'm going to square the left and I'm going to square the right.
How do you know which one to square by?
And when you square, the square eliminates the radical sign and you get x plus 4 equals 25. You subtract 4. X equals 21.